Pool skimmer. I've got an in-ground pool and the previous owners did not take care of it. I'm new to owning a pool and I have a couple of questions. First, in the skimmer at the bottom, there are two holes. I know that they are the suction and the equalizer connected to my main drain. My suction line has a hose adapter screwed in for vacuuming. Does that stay screwed in permanently or do I take it out after vacuuming?
Ideally, it's taken out. And the reason being is your equalizer line, what's happening is atmospheric pressure is pushing water, pushing down on the water. As your pump is removing the water from the skimmer, that equalizer is pushing the water from the drain up into the skimmer and then being drawn back into the equipment. Ideally, that fitting is not there because then it allows your skimmer basket to sit properly. So part of the water comes down from the skimmer basket, part of the water comes from the equalizer line and then goes back to your filter. If you keep that fitting on, what's happening is now you're drawing water pretty much all from the top, and any water that's being pushed in from the equalizer is not being able to amply be pulled back into the filter itself. So ideally, if it's removable, remove it every time. I know sometimes those plastic pieces get locked in and they're hard to move, but ideally you take it out when you're not vacuuming the pool.